In this guide, I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Apple Music. We're going to break down everything that you need to know about Apple Music, but before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point you do have any questions or any specific things that you want to ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there so I can help you out further if you do need further assistance. But first things first, it's important to note that Apple Music is a subscription-based app. You can obviously start with a free trial or you can sign up with a monthly plan. But after you either have one of those two things, open up that app and you'll see a navigation bar down in the very bottom with a few main tabs. You'll have Home, New, Radio, Library, and you'll also have Search. A lot of these are self-explanatory. Home is going to show you recommendations, trending songs, and curated playlists. Radio is going to let you stream Apple's live radio stations. New is going to show you new songs. Library is going to show you all of your saved music, which is going to include playlist, albums, artists, and any song that you've pretty much added. It also includes past iTunes purchases if you do have any of those. And search, all the way in the bottom right, is going to let you search any artist, album, or track available here on Apple Music. Now, to find songs, go ahead and tap in the search bar down in the very bottom. It's going to give you the option to browse curated sections or just using the search bar at the top if you're on older iOS updates, or if you're on newer iOS updates, it's going to be down in the bottom. Go ahead and select that. And for example, let's go ahead and search Drake. Well, I'm going to see the artist. I'm going to see an Essentials playlist, his latest album, one of the more popular albums, and on top of that, individual songs. Now, for example, if I want to see individual songs, I can just tap on the three dots next to that song where I can add it to my playlist, or I can download it or go to that entire album. There's a bunch of options on here, as well as add, favorite, and share. Now, in the very bottom, though, you're going to see a little mini player for whatever song you may have currently playing. Simply go ahead and tap on it, and it's going to expand the full screen. And you're going to see the cover art, the play, pause, and skip controls buttons. You'll see the like button, which is going to allow you to favorite the song to get better recommendations. You'll see three dots, which is going to be for sharing, adding to playlists, or even more options. There's also a volume slider, an AirPlay and SharePlay options, and an up next queue, as well as all of the lyrics. To manage your library, though, go ahead and back out of this section and go to the Library tab where you'll see all of your music. All you need to do is tap on the three dots up in the very top, and you can edit the sections in order to take some of these out if you would like. And if you scroll down, you're going to see all of your recently added stuff, like songs, artists, playlists, and other stuff. You can also specifically select your profile from this page up in the top right, where you can redeem an Apple Music gift card, add funds to your Apple ID, as well as manage your subscription. But yeah, that's really it. That's a quick guide on how to use Apple Music. If this guide did help you out, once again, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more tutorials. And if you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.